As we head into cold and flu season, it is important to keep your lymph healthy. Lymph. It's hard to say. And here to explain it is Dr. Corinne Weaver. We love having you in, Dr. Corinne Weaver. Lymph nodes.
Lymph nodes.
For those that don't know what they are, you will know what they are when they're swollen or when you're sick. You'll hear doctors say, oh, let me feel, my lymph nodes are swollen. What are they and what do they do for our body?
Well, you know, we do a camera in our office. It's a tool to detect. You remember when you had...
I did that,
yes,
yeah.
and it shows inflammation, and it can actually show lymph congestion.
Okay. When
lymph nodes can't flow, and that's part of your immune system. So we're going to give you some tips today to get your lymph system to flow properly.
Ooh, all right. How are we going to flow? What are we going to do?
Well, you're making fun of my brush here.
Yeah, what's that for?
You know, what is this? That's our skin,
That's
right?
our skin, okay.
Do you know it's an organ? It's the largest organ in your body.
I guess I've never thought of it as an organ.
You know, you brush your hair. Well, hopefully you brushed your hair this morning.
Yes, I did.
So, but did you brush your skin?
Never.
No.
Brush my skin?
And that's a way to help your lymph system. So you brush towards your heart, and you want to work this area because this is where your lymph system hangs out around your head and neck. And me being an upper cervical chiropractor, we're always seeing people with swollen, and a lot of people don't even know they have a swollen lymph node. I'm like, do you know that's swollen? Oh, no. Well, that means your body's probably fighting something that they're not aware of.
What in the world does dry brushing have to, what does that do?
Well, people get congested. You're not moving. People are not exercising.
Yeah. Oh.
So this is another tool that I actually brought from the office that I sit on.
You know, a lot of people are using alternatives to, we sit, unfortunately, a lot in our job.
And so it's good to bounce. And so, like using a trampoline, they say it's the best thing for your lymph system. So we have a trampoline. Do you have a trampoline at your house with your kids?
No, I don't.
It's actually fun, and it's really good to help with exercise and sweat. You talked about getting rid of toxins. Because if you're not sweating and you're holding the toxins in, where do you think they're going?
Oh, that's not good.
They're not getting out.
Get the toxins out.
We're going to get the toxins out. And so exercising, but just bouncing on the ball for like 5 to 7 minutes a day can help the lymph system get out.
That's a great idea. Even if you're, listen, if you're sitting checking emails or social media or watching a show or whatever, sit on that for a couple minutes and bounce.
Like a bouncy ball, you know, as a kid.
We need to get rid of this couch, and we need 4 bouncy balls up here. That's a great idea.
Get the lymph system going.
You are certainly one for essential oils and rolling on essential oils.
So lemon is the best one to help with lymph congestion. So this one's called Just Breathe. And I know you already have your vibe on there.
I do.
So
Here we go. Put a little bit behind the ear.
What this does,
oh gosh, I already smell it.
Actually opens up your sinuses and helps you breathe. But a lot of the lymph congestion we're noticing is around the head and the neck. Another thing you can do is beat on your chest.
Like Tarzan?
Yeah, like Tarzan. Yeah, because your thymus gland lives there, and so when you beat on your chest, it helps open up that lymph system, gets things flowing in the morning. So you dry brush, you beat on your chest.
Now, a quick question. I mean, if you're taking a shower, some people use loofah sponges or whatever. This is something to do dry though, not in the shower.
So this is before you shower.
Before you shower.
So this morning, before I showered, I did my dry brush outside the shower, and then you shower.
Like I'm just assuming you don't have stuff like falling on the.
Well, you can do it in the shower. So you can do it in the shower. You're dry brushing, and then so do it before you shower.
So do this, then take a shower.
Yes, and then it helps your skin become very smooth. And a lot of people have skin issues.
Yeah.
You know, like eczema, all because the immune system, all because the lymph system is not flowing. We got to get it to flow, Jason.
We got to get the lymph system flowing. Thank you always for coming in here. I had my first ever skin brush. I'm so excited. All right, thank you very much. Always love having Dr. Corinne Weaver, and we're going to take a break.